Yes, hello guys. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I just want to show you how to identify key levels on the market, and of course, this is Nasdaq. This is what I trade most. So, um, key levels actually, what are key levels? Key levels, those are areas in the market where with the most touches. When I talk about the most touches, I'm meaning areas whereby they have gotten the most, whereby maybe reversals, maybe areas with most double tops, maybe double bottoms, areas whereby when the price reaches there, it tends to reverse, or when it breaks that price, I tend to retest that price before it goes. You get it? So those are the levels whereby if you find a level whereby price has knocked it, let me say 1, 2, 3 times, it simply means that there are higher chances that if prices come back to it the third time, it will still react the same way. You get it, guys? So to spot those levels, I have said that those are the areas with the most touches. You get it? Those are key levels. And of course, major levels are from higher time frames. And of course, minor levels are from lower time frames. You get it? But to get these levels, first of all, uh, you first go to what we call line charts. You get it? You don't get them to get them clearly, you go to line charts, yeah, not candlesticks. Here, so line charts show you exactly where these touches were the very perfect ones. Why? Because when you use candlesticks, it is hard to spot out fake outs. You get it? So yeah, I'll start by you just mark each and every line you see. You get it? And see even here we got a touch. Actually, here it was a support, came back to it, broke it to the downside, retested it as a resistance, then dropped down. Get it? Then we have also here there is something, but I could first mark this one. Actually, they get more clear as you go to the lower time frames. And then we have this one, yeah. And then I can also mark that one. So let us go to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, now we are going to do a little bit of correction here so that we can mark at the very okay. Now on the weekly time frame, you see that an example on Nasdaq up level or price ozone 14761 is a key level. Why? Because it has this touch which acted as a support here. Then you have this one still support here. It was broken, retested, still it was not it was respected as a resistance, then to the downside, then it came back to that very price. As I said, that these prices, they are always retested. You get it several times. So here you see at 761, yeah, then to the downside. Then another one I'm looking at here, if I am to correct here, I'm looking at this one here, yeah. And why that one? You see clearly that we have this level here, first touch 2021 in Jan 17. Then we have, okay, it was here broken, came back to it here in 2021 May. It was respected. You get it? Then it came back to it, imagine, after a year in 2022 March here. Then it was broken. Then it has retested this line again, not retested but checked it again and respected in July 30, in August actually, this year we are in 2022. You get it? So that makes it also a major level because it has been tested several times. Then we get another one here. Let me see. Yeah, this one here. This level, yeah, that's a key level. Why it's a key level? Look at here. Look here. Look at this level. One touch, two touch, three touches. Then probably we are waiting here for another touch. This is a price. It's around level. I call them levels or zones, so that because you can't make them like perfect, like a single price, like 12. Let me say here 12. 687. No, when you call it a zone, meaning you're catering even for rejection levels, etc. You get it? Because when you go to candlesticks, you're going to realize that here it may look perfect, but maybe there is a rejection that was left up. So when you call it a zone, it simply means that you're also catering for that rejection, that part from the candlestick. You get it? That was a wick from the candlestick. So there is another level here. This one here, it also has one touch, two touches, second touch, third touch, then it was broken. Then of course I will also mark this one as the last one. So I can even first stop here, and cause there are many, but I'm looking out for the previous ones, probably the higher, the one above, and the one which is lower, because that is where the price is currently going to move to, either up or down. You get it? Then I can also go to daily time frame. So on daily time frame, okay, these levels you're looking at in this color, I think it is purple, they're the key levels we have gotten so far on a bigger time frame. So I want to get now levels on a smaller time frame. Probably I'm going to use another color. I'm going to change color here. Okay, there is this one here. Actually, this is where the current price is playing from. I think let me make this blue. Yeah. Okay, let me make it a color that is kind of standing out. Okay, this is green color. This is now on a day time frame. So you realize that the current price where we are, the current price where the playing from. Let us go back to candlesticks. Chances are high that this level 12,878 has been rejected, because if you look clearly here, this is a touch, one touch, second touch, third touch. Now this is a fourth touch actually. Now let us look at the candlesticks. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Let me zoom out. You see here that this price I'm talking about, it has rejected. It has been rejected. Because look here, this is a body, this is a wick down, rejection. The first candlestick came to it, bounced on it, went back up. Like sellers, buyers pushed the price back up. Second, we got still a candlestick that broke down here below 878, this level we are looking at here, but still buyers pushed the price up. You get it? Third, even here we see a rejection. So we are looking at this candlestick, the new one which has formed today, 25th of August 2022. We want to see how it's going to close, but this is a level which now today we might be looking at, you get it, as a key level for today, because this is the nearest key level on a daily time frame. Are we getting it? So let us go back to our line charts, and then we mark the nearest other level on the upside. Let us see this one. Yeah, because I see it has a touch here, here, it has a touch here, and a touch here. You're getting it? Let me do like this and see. Okay, so meaning that today, if it is today I'm trading, I'm going to focus on these two levels. Are we getting it? And where I say focusing on these two levels, you're going to see something here. This is magical. Where I'm saying this is here. So 878 was rejected. You get it? That was meaning yesterday, even yesterday it was rejected. Meaning the next level that we're looking at is 13 or 33. 130, 33. That is our next key level to the upside. You get it? So that is the level that we are looking at. So it simply means that today we are looking at two levels: 878, 130, 33. Actually, this one works everywhere, beyond gold, beyond currency pairs, beyond synthetics, because that is how price moves. Price moves by from level to level, you get it. If it doesn't break a certain level, it simply means that it's going to play from there. So you go to the lower time frames and use other confluences to get these levels, you're getting it. So I just wanted to show us how to spot out these levels. It's bigger than this. This is not the only thing you use to trade, because there are many other confluences that you use before you get before you take an before you execute a trade. There are many other things that you look at, because you have also other kinds of trend lines that you have to put in place for you to finally come out or come up with your um, final confirmation whether to buy or sell. But for today, if I'm to trade Nasdaq, my levels are clear: 130, 33, 18, sorry, 12, 8, 7, 8. And then, okay, let me even just go to 4 hour to get out another uh, to also, I can actually even come here and look off also for another level here. Yeah, okay, I can also mark this one, because now where I'm marking this one, this is 12,943. I want you to look here. That is the first touch. Okay, not first. Okay, that is the first touch. Let me show you. First touch here, second touch, third touch. You see, it was hit, rejected, then broken here, broken still to the downside. Here it was respected, then of course it was broken here. Then we come back here. Uh, this was, I think, in 22nd of August. It was respected. Then here it was broken to the upside. So chances high that we can come back to we can reject it. 943. So okay, if I was trading today, using 4 hour time frame still, let us go to the candlesticks and we see. So today I would look at what is going to happen at this price, 943. Are we getting it, guys? So at 943, if 943 is rejected, meaning we are still pushing to the downside. But if this candle, this is 4:12 a.m., this is Ugandan time. Now I'm going to wait for this candle to close. That will be probably at 7 a.m. Ugandan time. And because at 7 a.m. a new candle will form. So if this new candle forms and it is above level 12,943, it simply means that today chances are high that Nasdaq is going to buy. Why? Because we shall have closed above that level, meaning the next candle that we reject, we shall be looking, let me say, at the New York Open of Exchange, a rejection at this level, or even it can be maybe during the European market session. We shall be looking what will happen at this level 943. You get it? So it simply means today, if I'm to trade or if I'm going to look out for entries, my focus is going to be on this line. Let me even give it a unique color. Yeah, red. So this red line 943 is my level that I'm going to put an eye today. Why? Because it is where the price, it's a level, it's a major level on a 4 hour time frame. You get it? And of course, when you look at it here, when you look here, it was 23rd. It has been rejected several times. Yeah, see this huge rejection. But yesterday it was hit to the upside. These two candles closed above it. You get it? But still, this candle closed below it. The previous candle actually closed below it. Then you want to see this one, because this was a bearish candle for which closed below it, formed actually below it, didn't hit it. Then we are looking at this current the focus is on the current candle. If this current candlestick is closes below it, then probably we are going for we are going to look for more bearish moves tonight. You get it? So that's it. But there are many other things that I look up to before I take a trade. But this is also a major one, because it also gives me a clear confirmation of what might happen next. I'm getting it, guys. So that's it, but that's the first step when you're going to look for a trade. First identify your key levels, then get to know where prices, because these levels are many. Let me show you, there are many, but you can't expect to execute from this side, from this side, from this side. No, you're going to look for where price is going to react from that particular day, because there is no candlestick that can push here in a day. Even if it is NFPCPI, it can't push here or push here. They normally push within the current price, market price. You get it? And the current market price on a lower time frame for hour, we are looking at this level. It is 13.033, 12.943 as my current level I'm looking at. Then 878. You get it? So whichever level is kicked out here is where I will start from when looking for entries on the New York market open. So thank you so much, guys. I remain YFX Kingdom. Much love.